So, God bless everyone. I am Gracie Medilema from BSED English, and this is the formula of Kendall's W. W equals 12 multiplied by summation of d squared divided by m squared n, and n squared minus 1. So number on n is the number of contestants, and m is the number of judges, and d is the difference between the mean of the ranks and the sum of the ranks contested. So the application of Kendall's W is to state first the null hypothesis, so there which is no agreement among the ratings of the judges, and there is an agreement among the ratings of the judges. This is the table we have provided earlier of nga gi-provide nimi sa mapad. So we have 7 contestants and 3 judges. So let's focus first on the contestant and the judges. So we have 7 contestants, and for judge 1 ang iyang rate kay contestant A is 5, and to judge 2 contestant A is ang rate niya is 3. To judge 3 si contestant A is 4 pod. So same as B, ang rate ni judge 1 is 4, and then to judge 2 is 7, and to judge 3 is 3. So also is on the another contestant up to contestant G, which is for judge 1 kay second or 2, and to judge 2 is 5, and to judge 3 is 5. So after that, we have to follow the steps provided. First is add the rates per row in our column. So here we have i-add na to sila tanan ang mga rate ni judge 1 to 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 4. 5 plus 3 plus 4 equals 12. 4 plus 7 plus 3 equals 14. 6 plus 4 plus 7 equals 17. 7 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. 7 plus 6 plus 6 equals 19. 2 plus 5 plus 5 equals 12. That is the first step. And the second step is find the sum of the ranks and its mean. So first we have unang sa natong find the sum of the ranks. So we only have to i-add lang siya from 12 to from the first contestants to the last contestant. So 12 plus 14 plus 17 plus 6 plus 4 plus 19 plus 12 equals 84. And then the mean. So 84, which is the sum of the ranks, then to get the mean is divide na to siya into the number of contestants, which is 7. So 84 divided by 7 equals 12. So the mean is equals 12. Step is find the difference between the mean of the sum of ranks for each contestant. So kanang mean nato, which is equals 12, i-minus nato siya sa kanaang sum sa mga rates sa judges sa mga contestants. So 12 minus 12, then ang result ibutang nato sa D. So 12 minus 12 equals 0. 12 minus 14 equals negative 2. 12 minus 17 equals negative 5. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 12 minus 19 equals negative 7, and 12 minus 12 equals 0. And then, number 4 is find the value of d squared. So, we only have to multiply the d to itself. So, kanang d, ang mga results sa d, i-multiply na to sila on itself. 0 times 0 equals 0. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4. Negative 5 times negative 5 equals 25. 6 times 6 equals 36. 8 times 8 equals 64. And negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. And 0 times 0 is 0. And then the last step is find the summation of d squared. The last step is i-add na to sila tanan kanang d squared, kanang column sa d squared. 0 plus 4 plus 25 plus 36 plus 64 plus 49 plus 0 equals 178. So, the summation of d squared is equal to 178. So, katong mga result nga gikan sa table, ato na lang siyang or i-distribute. So, our given here is summation of d squared equals 178, and our m, the number of judges, equals 3, and our number of contestants is 7. So, our formula, w equals 12 multiplied by the summation of d squared divided by m squared and multiplied by n squared minus 1. So, distribute na to. So, step 2, w equals 12 divided by 178, kaya ang atong summation of d squared is 178 divided by 3, kaya itong number of judges, then squared. Tapos, multiplied by 7 sa tuang number of contestants. And then, multiplied by 7 squared minus 1. Second step is i-multiply na to ang 12 of, third step. I-multiply na to ang 12 of 178 and it is equal to 2,136. And then over 3 squared times 7 squared minus 1. And then fourth step is 2,136 over first one is atong pangitaon ang squared ni 3 og 7. So 3 times 3 or 3 squared equals 9. Then copy lang ang 7. Dayon 7 times 7 or 7 squared is 49 minus 1. So for the next step, we have to find the difference between 49 and 1. So the next step is just w equals 2,136 over 9 multiplied by 7 and equals 48. Kay difference of 49 of 1 is 48. Meron na siya. And then for the next step is we have to find the i-multiply na to ang 9 times 7 times 48 equals 3,224. Again, so i-copy lang ang babaw. 2,136 divided by the result of 9 times 7 times 48 equals 3,024. And 3 and w equals 2,136 divided by 3,024 is equals to 0.71. We are now going to write the decision rule for rejecting the null hypothesis. We are now going to determine if the null hypothesis is accepted or rejected based on the comparison of Kendall's W and critical value. So we're going to reject H sub 0 if W value is greater than or equal to critical value. And we are going to accept H sub 0 if the W value is less than critical value. So now let's compare. So the candle's W value is 0.71 while critical value is 0.62. Critical value is kanang standard din siya. Naa na siya table and we can find it on the internet. So as the result, 0.71 is greater than 0.71 is greater than 0.62. Therefore, there is an agreement among the rating of the judges. So since the W is 0.71 and is greater than the critical value, which is 0.62, we reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is an agreement among the ratings given by the judges to contestants in the contest. So that would be all for our report. So I hope everyone understand the reliability test using Kendall's coefficient of concordance or Kendall's W. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.